So today I will continue with these videos, and I'm getting more deep in health, and today I will talk about the immune system. Now, immune system is an interesting system, but at the same time it's very complicated to understand. Now, many scientists, they try to understand how it functions and how it works, but in reality I came to conclusion the more you want to understand how immune system work in terms of um, cells, tissues, proteins, you will get lost because there's no any localized organ in the body called immune system. It's spread everywhere. In every little corner in our body we have immune system. And therefore, the more you would like to know about your immune system, the more you will come to conclusion that the less you know. That the knowledge you know is too little about the immune system. So what I mean is, let's look at different perspective about the immune system. And once you start look at your immune system from different perspective, and guess what? From the perspective of potential energy and entropy, then it's very easy to understand the immune system. Not only this, it's also easy to know how to tune your immune system always in the right direction. So my conclusion about the immune system is like this. So if your immune system has the potential to fight disease, it will fight disease. It means that your potential is high, means your immune system is in the fight mood. It is in the fight mood, it means that if there is an error, it will be detected and corrected simultaneously. Now, unfortunately, we are constantly exposed to stress and distraction. Now, if this stress and distraction is constant, then our immune system, or let's say the potential of our immune system, is basically either suppressed or dispersed. Suppressed means that the potential energy is suppressed. It means the fight mood is shifted to the flight mode. Dispersed, it means the fight mood shifted to the fright mode. Fright mode and flight mode both are bad in preventing and fighting disease. And now the best mood is the fight mood, and to be always in the fight mood, you need to have the right potential to fight. If not, then it goes to the flight or to the fright. Maybe on the long run, I will explain in more details about how shifting between those moods are basically really taking place. But let's be focused on the concept of potential energy and entropy. And the main goal is very simple, is we need to enrich potential energy, but we have to know exactly what are the sources of potential energy in general, but in particularly in our body, because this is the most important things. Now, many people, they used to think, yeah, potential energy, food. No, this is not only food. There are minimum three sources for potential energy. One is called chemical potential energy, which is related to food, but we will talk exactly in more detail about this concept. The second is the elastic potential energy, which basically correlated to movements, exercises, and sports. And the third source of potential energy is action potential energy, and this is so strongly correlated with information. And maybe in the next video I will explain a little bit more, and I want to explain in the end how really one can enrich potential and keep the immune system all the time in the fight mood. So please, if you have any comments or you have some more questions, feel free to ask.